Did you know? With just one click, you can become a shareholder of giant corporations like Apple, Microsoft, or Tesla. Stocks are not just numbers on a screen, they are your ticket into the world of finance, filled with opportunities and challenges. Today, let's get straight to the point. What are stocks, and how can you make money from them? First, what are stocks? Imagine you own a highly promising startup. To scale up, you need significant capital. The solution? Sell a portion of your company to investors in the form of shares, and each share represents a stock. Buyers of stocks become shareholders of your company. This is how major businesses raise capital through the stock market. Second, how do you make money from stocks? There are two ways. One is through dividends. If the company is profitable, you receive a share of its earnings. The other is buying low and selling high. Suppose you bought Tesla stock 5 years ago. By now, its price has multiplied. This is why the stock market is so attractive to investors.
Third, types of stocks. There are two main types: common stocks, which grant voting rights, and preferred stocks, which offer fixed dividends. Additionally, there are growth stocks, like Amazon, which have high potential but also high risk, and value stocks, like Coca-Cola, which are stable and long-term. Your choice depends on your investment strategy. Real-world example. With just around $270, you can become a shareholder of J.P. Morgan Chase, one of the largest banks in the U.S. Not only do you own a small part of this giant corporation, but you also have the right to participate in key decisions at shareholder meetings. Summary. Stocks are a powerful investment tool that allows you to support business growth while earning profits. But remember, risk always accompanies reward. Understanding the fundamentals, conducting thorough analysis, and making smart investment decisions are the keys to success. Stay tuned for more financial insights in upcoming videos.